The Cornish Cross have arrived. Areas are all ready to go. See if I lost any. That's the big question. Are they all good? Oh, they all made it on this side. Hi, you little puffballs. You ready to get a drink of water? I'm sure you are. Come here. Here's one little puffball. Little. You're so little. You're so little. Yeah. This is a process. You gotta dunk their little beaks in the water so they know where to get water. Yeah, hi. Another little puffball. Oh, I'm sorry. There. You're so little. You're so little. Come here. Last one. Get some water. Okay. Now for this side. Did you all make it? I think we have a winner. I think we have all of our chicks made it. That is great. Hoover Hatchery. Good job. We got 10 males and 10 females. Come here, little girls. Little boys. Don't know which ones you are right now. Water is so small, I don't know. Look at you going right for the food. You must be males. Yeah, you must be the males. You guys going right for the food. Bite me. You guys are biting me. Look at these ones. Chowing down already. These ones are drinking. Except for the loner over there going for the food. This one's trying to find some water, huh? It's in here. It's in there. There you go. There you go. Let's get you guys in there, get some water. Yeah, you guys keep looking for the water and it's right there. Yeah. No, it's right there in front of you. You guys are goofballs. We got 10 eating and 10 drinking. I imagine these are the females and those are the males because they're wanting to eat. Yeah, you guys have no problem getting in and out of there. All right, so far so good.